We're going to learn more about the past tense today. In the last lesson, we reviewed the present tense of the verb kaufen. Ich kaufe, du kaufst, kauft, wir kaufen, ihr kauft, sie kaufen. And then we learned how to make the past tense of it. We learned that to make the past tense of the verb kaufen, German uses the verb haben as a helping verb, and the verb kaufen itself becomes a past participle by adding ge to the front and taking the en at the end and changing it to a t. Gekauft means bought, as in I bought, or even I have bought. And here's what we ended up with then. Ich habe gekauft. Du hast gekauft. Hat gekauft. Sie and es hat gekauft as well. Wir haben gekauft, ihr habt gekauft, and sie haben gekauft. We also answered the question, what did you buy? Or what have you bought? Was hast du gekauft? The answer was, ich habe, whatever it is, gekauft. The past participle is the last word of the sentence, at least for now. So repeat these sentences after me. Say, I bought or have bought asparagus. Ich habe Spargel gekauft. Say, you bought onions or you have bought onions. Du hast Zwiebeln gekauft. Say, he bought celery. Hat Sellerie gekauft. Say, we bought broccoli. Wir haben Brokkoli gekauft. Say, you plural, informal, bought corn. Ihr habt Mais gekauft. And say, they, or perhaps you formal, bought eggs. Sie haben Eier gekauft. Good. Here are some other verbs that work just like kaufen, forming the past participle the same way. Put ge on the front, replace the en at the end with a t, and you have, for example, for the first verb, gemacht, as in ich habe gemacht, I made, I did something. Make the past participles of the remaining verbs here. Du lernen. Gelernt, good. Du kochen. Gekocht, du lieben. Geliebt, tanzen. Getanzt, duschen. Geduscht, suchen. Gesucht, good. Here are some sentence examples using those verbs. Notice that the past participle is at the end of the sentence in each case. Repeat them after me. Repeat, I have made a salad, or I made a salad. Ich habe einen Salat gemacht. Say, you learned German, or you have learned German. Du hast Deutsch gelernt. Say, he made soup, or he cooked some soup. Hat Suppe gekocht. Say, we loved the cat. Wir haben die Katze geliebt. Say, you plural, informal, you guys danced yesterday. Ihr habt gestern getanzt. Say, they took a shower this morning. Sie haben heute Morgen geduscht. And of course, we know that could also mean you formal did so. It all depends on context. And the last sentence here, say that she looked for the dog. Sie hat den Hund gesucht. Good. As we recently learned, when a verb stem ends in a T or D, as these three verbs do, arbeiten, baden, warten, then the present tense S form, for example, adds an E before adding the T ending for pronunciation's sake. So we have arbeitet, badet, wartet. Well, the past participle works the same way. Since we still have to add a T to the end, we add the extra E. So we get gearbeitet. As, for example, ich habe gearbeitet, I worked. Or gebadet, or gewartet. So here are some sentence examples using those verbs. Repeat them after me. The first one, I worked on Monday. Ich habe am Montag gearbeitet. The second one, you did not take a bath. Du hast nicht gebadet. And he waited in the kitchen. Hat in der Küche gewartet. Good job.